Student protest was held at Wangkhei Manipur Community Hall against firing of several rounds at the residence of Ngangom Dilip last night. Pukrambam Leirak Merapaibi Publicity Secretary Kundongbam Ongbi Sadhya Rani said amid the unrest situation in Manipur, firing of several rounds in residential areas has created intimidation among the people. She also appealed to those involved not to repeat such acts in future, adding that proper dialogue should be held instead of causing fear among the people. She stated that student protest will continue unless those responsible individuals claim the act of firing.
Maram su khangdana maram su laitana asuki laibaki usik yengon tawribe irangje sigi maraksida akhoi je hingbam khangdana lairibane ba hujik je ri tawgadabno maikai kodom da chalaga akhoi je karamba lambi chalaga akhoi je karmaina tawraga hingadage khangdingai maraksida sumaina khangawdana yumlakta no mai kapsen birame akhoi kamaina hingani asolana angang kara mayam ama akhoi de community hall lampak lairi je akhoi gi sigi jaga je khwai de akhoi gi kolop sigi pokhambam lairak ke hai tare ne sida mi pumbam ne ba ko akhoi di sidaida akhoi without any information, kari tawai no kaino su khangda bida yumlakta no mai kapsan birame yumlakta haije yum manungda taribani yum manakta taribani adui tardi sidaida mida kaida ahalamanda angangda palam taragadi akoi kanana daita lobini kanana risk lobini sigumba harassment je matungda hana pibiganu kanana karigi damakta tawbiribno haibadu su sengdok pirau akoi sumaina hingbadi ngamjaroi.